Is our FPS are also like this? Don't worry, I got you. There is a trick to make them like this. So let me tell you the trick now. Open settings. If you have selected these two, change it into 60 FPS. If you have selected this, then change it into this. Settings work finish. Now let's move to another part. Click this icon. Now click this. Hide yourself and name and pet. Done. Now click this. And this. Now go to weather. Select this. Everything is done. Now check my FPS. Here is before and after difference. I was going to off recording but see what my friend said.